How to fix CS2 mic not working. So first, just simply go to the settings of CS2, go to audio, and once you're here, you simply need to scroll down and just simply click on the voice and microphone mode, set it to push to talk, just like so, and just set your voice input audio device to whatever you're using. So I'm currently using this one right here, the Steel Series Sonar. So I'm just gonna set it to that, and once that's done, go to keyboard and mouse, go to communication options, and here use microphone, set it to whatever you want. So I'm gonna use my mouse 5 right here. So this is the button that you will click if you ever want to use your microphone in game. Next is, if it's still not working, just simply click on Shift Tab to open up your Steam overlay. Click on settings right here, click on voice, and make sure that the voice input device is correct. So I'm currently using this one. And if you find your mic isn't that loud, you could just simply adjust the input volume gain right here, just like that. So if it's still not working, what you can do is go to your desktop and search for microphone, privacy settings, and it will bring you right here, and make sure that let apps access your microphone is turned on and the microphone access is turned on also. After that, just right click here on the sound icon of the taskbar, click on sound settings, then it will bring you right here and just scroll down till you see the microphone or input settings right here. So make sure that you've picked the microphone that you're using. So I'm currently using this, so that's set to that. Once it's done, go to more sound settings and just go to recording and make sure that you've set the default one to whatever microphone you're using. So let's say this one, just simply set to default. Once it's done, click on properties, go to listen, and make sure that this is set to continue running when on battery power. And go to levels, make sure that this is 100, go to advanced, and make sure that you could simply check that, or uncheck that, then click on apply, click on OK, and that should do the trick.